Thank you for buying this beautiful kettle from Fixture Displays. This is electric, measures about 9.5 inches on the length and height right about 7.5. The other dimension, which is the diameter, is 6 inches. The cord is 27 inches cord. The kettle weighs about 3 pounds, so it's a medium to small size, and has a stainless steel bottom along with a safety tube that comes with a cover. What the tube does is when you fill water, you should not fill more than the top of the tube or bottom of the cap. If you do, the tube is designed to discharge the excess water through a channel, through a tube, and then down to the channel in the bottom. So the water will come out, but it's for your safety. It's not leaky. The kettle is nicely designed with a beautiful flower. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Now this is the cap, the maximum line. And if you feel right at there, it's not coming out. But if you feel more than that, it will start discharge from the bottom. The kettle runs on 110 volts power and has 1,000 watts power. The on and off switch will turn off automatically when water boils. And it also has a dry boil protection. In other words, if you run out of water, it will not keep burning. As you'll see, at the boiling, the switch turns off. I hope you enjoyed this kettle and this video. Do like us, subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Any questions, you can email us cs@fixturedisplays.com.